In this video we will be looking at how to take input from the user using readline module in JavaScript. So let's dive into the code. Hello friend, this is CodeCraft where you can run code fastly and efficiently. So I have made a info.js file here. So the first thing is that we have to simply import the readline module here. So const readline equal to require I have imported the readline module using require syntax. You can also use the import syntax here. So now the first thing is that we have to create an interface here. So interface is like the connection between you and the computer, and all you have to also to tell this interface where to take input and where to pass the output simply. So I'll be making an interface. The interface is the free-built function of the readline module, so you can use it to create a simple interface here. So readline dot create interface, and now after that you have to pass an object here in which you have to specify the input and output path and output path. You have to tell where to take input from and where to pass the input to. So I'll be passing an array object here, and I have to specify the input simply. So the input is our standard keyboard and the output is our standard monitor. So you have to give here process dot stdin for the standard input, and also you have to give the output process dot stdout, and this is how you specify the standard input path and output path. The input path is our standard keyboard and the output path is our standard monitor. So you can also specify here the file to take input from the file, and you can also specify the output path as a file. So this will be the beyond of this video. So if you want how to take input from the file or how to pass output the file, you can comment in the comment section. I will make a video on this. So here this video is basic on how to use readline method to take input from the standard keyboard and pass output to the standard monitor. So after that, the interface object we have created here, this provides a method called question method. This method is used to prompt the user for the actual input you want to take from user. So I will type interface dot question, and now the first argument, this question method takes two arguments. The first argument will be the text that will prompt the user while prompting. So I'll here simple type your channel name, and now the second argument will be the callback function, and we have to give the callback function here msg, and now here I will simply print console.log this msg here. I'm using type translator and channel name and the $sign and curly braces msg. So now what we have done, we have simply give this question method two arguments. The first is the string, the prompt, which will be the user will be C, and also the callback function. So whenever the user types something and press the enter button, the callback function will be called with the actual text that the user typed. So the text will be passed to the callback function, and after that the callback function will be run. So whatever in the body of callback function, it will be run. So here I will simply run this program. So I have to open a terminal, Control Tilt, and after that I have to type node input.js sorry, node info.js. So here you can see this prompt as with the text your channel name. So simple, I will give my channel name CodeCraft, and here you can see it's simple log channel name is CodeCraft. Now as you can see, the program has not terminated. Here you can see I'm not exiting here. So for this you have to also terminate the interface, close the interface here. So what I will do, I will simply go here and type interface dot close. So I will call the close method of the interface. The interface will be closed after that. So running again the Node.js info.js, and I will again give my channel name CodeCraft. So channel name code. Here you can see the channel name CodeCraft and the program has been terminated. So this is how you take info from the user using readline module in JavaScript. So I hope this will help you, and if you have a question you can comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button and also press the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video.